Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In this playlist we are currently exploring OOPS concept. So let's continue the exploration of OOPS concept. For that let's move to our destination folder. So this is our destination folder as you can see. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So the VS Code has opened and now let's open today's file which is day 51 and the title is Multilevel Inheritance. So what is multilevel inheritance? The definition of multilevel inheritance is in front of you, which is multilevel inheritance in Python is a type of inheritance that involves inheriting a class that has already been inherited by some other class, which means it will be a nested if else condition, or class A will be inherited by class B will be inherited by class C and so on. So let's understand this concept with practical implementation in better way. So I will simply uncomment this part and let's explore the code first. So as you can see, this first class name product, it has method product name, then next is class phone and it has inherited class product, and inside the class phone the method name is phone method as you can see, and it has printed the method name. After that I have created another class which is smartphone and it has inherited phone which is this class, and after that the method is present in smartphone class which is smart underscore phone and it has printed in smartphone method. So this is an example of multi-level inheritance, and using this we can access any method of the classes present above us. So if we create smartphone object, we can access the method of class product also, because it is indirectly inheriting the methods of class product also. And I have done the same in next part of code, which is in line number 19. So in line number 19 I have simply created object of class smartphone, then I have simply called method of smartphone which is this. After that I have also called method of phone method which is this, and finally I have called method of product method which is this. Now let's run the code to verify the output and check if any error occurs or not. So there is no error as you can see, as all three outputs are printed successfully. Now one question will definitely come in your mind, that is there any limit of multiple inheritance? The answer is no. You can add multiple classes one below the other until your requirement is satisfied. I have created a demo which will demonstrate multilevel inheritance of n number of classes. So let's explore that. For that I will comment this part of code and let's move ahead. So this is the next part which is very big as you can see. So let's explore the code. I have created first class A, defined method A, then I have created class B, inherited class A in it, and defined method B in class B. After that I have created class C, inherited class B which is one step above class C, and in the similar way I have created class D, class E, class F, G, H, I, J, K, and you can go up to Z or any number of classes as you wish. And after that I have created the object of this last class which is K, and I have printed all the methods of above classes. I will show the output first. So the output will be simply from A to K, because in each method I have simply printed only one variable which is related to class name, which is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, and last is K. So this is a live proof where I have demonstrated that we can create a lot of classes and apply multi-level inheritance on them. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries or any difficulties in understanding this concept or any concept in this playlist, you can simply message me on Instagram or comment section below. Also, the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.